In this video, I'm going to show you how to account for a type of product or material that is not automatically included within SiteWise. The SiteWise input sheet includes many commonly used bulk materials as a starting point for your project. However, occasionally you might use a material that is not listed, for example, oxidants such as permanganate. When your project includes a material that is not listed, there are two different options that you can go with. The first option is, if you have a general idea of what the relative impact of your material might be, is to choose from the range of values for unknown materials that are built into SiteWise. Under Material Production, go to Bulk Material Quantities and choose from the drop-down list right here. There are a few built-in relative impacts, very high impact, all the way down to very low impact. To give you an idea of what these emissions rates and impacts are, you can go over to the lookup table. This is table 1C in the lookup table. Scroll down and you can see the emission rates for each type of impact category. So you can try to gauge where your material will fall, if it's going to be very high or very low. The types of compounds and emission rates are listed here across the top. The second option requires the user to have some known information about emission rates for their project or for their product and the density of the material. In the lookup table again, scroll down here and you'll see some blank spaces, material A through material F. This is where you can enter your known material emissions per kilogram. So you'll have to find out this information for these emissions factors. Some of them may be found on manufacturer spec sheets or from the product vendor. They might have this information available. Or you can get an estimate of them calculated using life cycle assessment software such as the CIMA-Pro software. Once you have your impact emissions rates listed in the lookup table, go back to your component sheet and select the type of material in this category. If you entered it in material A, you would select material A or material B, and then it will give you a little reminder. The user must input footprint factors for this material in the lookup table, just to remind you that these cells are blank over here and you will need to go and fill them in. For more tips and tricks on SiteWise and other tools, check out some of our other SURF tutorial videos.